guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a video on models, and this is just a prediction. This might not even happen, so this is just an area to watch because this has been showing up in many different models, model hours, what I mean to say. And so obviously last video you saw a Category 4 hit Texas. This time we have Category 2 hitting Louisiana, which don't want to happen at all. Don't want any of these things to happen at all. So as we move on, we see some tropical development trying to develop down there. And then kind of forms a circulation. This is August 18th. Kind of a circulation. And then it becomes 1,005 millibars. So this is Dorian. And then it's 1,006 millibars with a lot of rain, about 24 to 30 inches. And yeah, so as it gets stronger, a little weaker, it develops, becomes a little stronger. As it's now a named storm, 1,002 millibars, August 22nd. And then by now, it's a Category 1 storm at 75 miles per hour. And then a Category 2 by now. Now, I was on Ventusky, however you want to pronounce it, and it said right here, at 975 miles per hour, 975 millibars, it said that it was 95 on estimate, 95 to 100 miles per hour. That is a Category 2. And so it makes landfall still as a Category 2. And then, yeah, with rain about 36 to 42 inches of rain. And yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I know it's short, but this is just a prediction. Don't want anyone to get freaked out. And yeah, bye.